welcome to Forthing's 2023 Super September. Unfold millions of wonder live stream. Like right over here, you could see one of the employees there assembling the engine right here. Wow! Woo! So exciting! Welcome, car number 3,300,000. Forthing Friday.
I believe this year, IAA Mobility Events ready will lead a new trend for family electric cars.
Today, our team and myself are deeply excited to witness our presence at the IAA Mobility in Germany.
China is by far the biggest automotive market in the world, and also China has a dominant role in electric mobility.
We won the Forthing Friday battery warranty for
800,000. Congratulations.
Driving in a computer.
It's like driving a computer. I feel like,
which is independent of power. You guys can see that at night time. We'll show you maybe next. But with our EV, 100% pure electric. Up to the finish line.
there's 200 meters long, right?
Yeah. Of the vehicle and low temperature. So it looks like the temperature is.
We're able to see that, but from here.
Yeah. So it looks like. Oh my gosh.
So the reason we can carry
The spots.
Bruno, these days the weather is so a dangerous situation. 8 centimeters, the finish line is not far.
So guys, don't forget, get your nails in. We do you. It only works. 3, 2,